What's going on, guys? It's your boy Frankie. So on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to reset the ECU on your Grom and your TPS. The reason why you would want to do this is if you made any kind of modifications to the bike, change the airbox, exhaust, intake, or whatever. I mean, you can probably get away with just the exhaust. However, once you throw on both the intake and exhaust, you're going to want to do that ECU reset. Otherwise, your bike is not going to run right. Especially if you got a cam too, or if you mess with the throttle body or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this quickly, and all you're going to need are 2 paper clips, just like this. So let's start it off here. First thing we're going to do is remove your seat, and first thing we're going to be doing pretty much is we're going to reset the ECU first. So slap this over here. Okay, so what we are going to do is on your seat, we're going to locate this guy right here. We're going to remove this cap, and what we're going to do is grab our paper clip, and you are going to locate the green and blue wire right there. Those are the only 2 that we're going to worry about. And then we're going to put our paper clip in right over here into these 2 holes, so to make sure that they make contact. So it's going to act like a jumper. Hold that in place, and then make sure that your ignition, that this is in the run switch, and that we have our key in here. We're not going to start the bike, we're just going to turn it on. And before we turn the key, you're going to go ahead and hold down your throttle all the way, turn your key on, and then you look at your check engine light is going to start flashing. Once it starts flashing like that, go ahead and let go of the throttle, and then it's going to stop, and then it'll blink slower. Once we see it blink slowly like that, that is a successful pattern. So now we can shut it off, and now we've cleared out the ECU. So now we're going to go ahead and reset the TPS, which is the throttle positioning sensor. To do that, we're going to go ahead and leave this clip in here, and then we're going to go down here. This guy, we're going to go ahead and remove that. There we go. And now with our second paper clip, we're going to go ahead and just insert this right into here. Same thing, so it acts like a jumper. We're going to hold that in. So if those are in there correctly, when we turn this on, we're going to see the check engine light flash. There it goes. Once it starts flashing within 10 seconds, we're going to go ahead and remove this clip, and then you'll see this start blinking normally, which is letting us know that's a successful pattern. And once that's all done, go ahead and turn this off, and there you go. You just have now reset your ECU and your TPS. This will help the bike relearn itself and everything to any new parts or modifications you have done to the bike. Also a reminder, if you did change out your exhaust and intake, a fuel programmer or tuned ECU is highly recommended, because you're going to want to remap your fuel, because these bikes are meant to run really lean from the factory. So if you keep running it like that with those upgrades without getting a fuel programmer or anything, you can cause damage to the engine in the long run. So well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. Give me any comments down below if you have any other thoughts or anything that I missed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.